gets cold outside, she hands me my raincoat.
Gdzie ty to zrobiłaś? Aha, wetknęłaś jakoś, tak?
This guy behind wants to overtake.
Jesus! Oh, she waved like, sorry.
Fucking better. This is kind of the wrong side, yeah, great. One for Scotty.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
No more drugs for that man.
If you're on a highway, you're gonna go
And did you ever get so pissed off that all you want to do now is catch up with him to see what the fuck he looks like? You know that feeling?
road running. If he catches you, you're through. The coyote.
Look, he looks exactly like I thought he would. Constipated!
What a... Oh, and we got another one. Oh, this idiot's gone the wrong way. He's gone down the construction zone entry.
A few moments later.
Another one.
More moments later.
Oh, that is so good. That is so great. Finally, a cop has gotten these guys doing this. Had a clip featuring the world famous no right turn intersection in a while, so I'm guessing that someone in front of me is going to do it. I've only got two options. We've got the RAV4, I think it's a Camry in front of them, but the sedan in front. I'm going to go with the sedan. I think the sedan's going to do the no right turn ahead. Oh, for fuck's sake. Idiot. I'm always right. It's honestly scary. Here we go.
Use the right 2 lanes to turn right to M80, Metropolitan Ring Road to M31, Hume Freeway, Airport.
It's twice.
Oh God.
That's the same spot that other guy did it.
Oh, that's right. Yeah.
Got another video to send into bloody what's his name?
Oh, the dash cam Australia.
Scott's dash cams or whatever it is.
Yeah.
Asshole doesn't even get my name right.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
Cut the fucking corner next.
Right. Sneaking, dude. Sorry. Wait.
It's a smoker.
Might be something wrong with your brakes, mate.
Ah,
What's he saying? Bearing or
it's
something?
a front wheel.
Yeah. Well, I know it's the front wheel, but... Red light. Oh my goodness. Someone didn't wake up. Ah, I ran the red light. You idiot.
Fuck's sakes.
We love you, Jesus, so much. Show it to us. Oh, of course. Supposed to do the right thing all the time, mate.
Just got someone.
All the time.
Up you go, come on. Come on, tiny zone, mate. Up you go.
Sorry, that was funny.
You're not pulled over yet.
And he's also safe to yet.
There's plenty of time to do it.
Yeah, but may not be safe yet. They're pulled over now. Wow, you didn't pull over, mate. You went.
He didn't use his turn signal!
This stage, on this very day, I was about 3 weeks away from turning 18. Bitch. But look, the opposite.
What the fuck? Fucking idiot. Stupid bitch.
Predominantly Muslim. Yeah. Where I'm going, I'm flying into Kota Kinabalu, which I think is a common place to.
Right. Good on you, buddy. Good on you, mate. Get him, Scotty. Get him.
And how do you get there?
You dirt-eating piece of slime! You scum-sucking pig! You son of a motherless goat!
Seriously? Camping on the fucking Nullarbor. Nice. Charger.
Government organisation.
You're harassing
Do
me.
you work for a government organisation?
I'm not answering your
Do you work for
questions,
the
silly
government?
little woman.
Do
Go
you work
away.
here? Without their consent. Do you work for booths? Do you work for booths?
Oh my god, this woman can talk underwater.
Do you work for booths?
It's like a parrot, isn't she? God, I
I'm
bet
asking you a
some poor
question.
guy is married to this.
I'm not married.
Well, we can see why.
They're all fucking queuing up.
hungry that day, my friends. Like an old man trying to send back soup in a deli.